Today I'm going to show you how to make these 5 minutes sandwich maker lemon cakes. You'll start by adding 2 eggs on a bowl. Then you add a 1/4 cup sugar, or sugar that's enough to your liking. I added too much sugar, I know, but I just went with it. Mix until it changes color, or until it mixes well. Next, you add milk. You're supposed to add 2 tablespoons of milk. I just added enough. Then add oil, like 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Then you'll add your lemon zest. Lemon zest is the skin of lemon. You grate the skin of the lemon. Yeah, it has so much flavor. So you add your lemon. You can add vanilla flavor or any flavor you like, but I like lemon. Now mix it. Next, you'll add a 1/2 cup of flour. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder and mix. Mix until all the lumps are out, or everything is mixed well. Now oil your sandwich maker. I need to buy that hand oil brush because I had a hard time oiling my sandwich maker. And then you put enough of your cake mixture into the sandwich maker, just enough. You don't want to pour a lot. Then spread and make sure all areas are covered. I added more because it was little there. Then cover and cook for 5 minutes. I realized they were not browning well on top because I did not oil the top. Now that's where the oil brush is important for cooking. So I just had to oil it manually and continued with the cooking. See, now that's cooked. I used a toothpick because I didn't want to burn myself. It's nice and brown. That indicates it has cooked well. This is another batch I cooked. I did the same procedures as before. So look, that mixture gave me 16 pieces of the sandwich cakes, lemon zest cake. Yeah, see, it is spongy and it cooked nicely and evenly. It cooked inside nicely. So yeah, that's the simple recipe. You can try it and give me your feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like.